In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a theme into Google Slides, a simple yet powerful way to personalize and enhance your presentation. Let's get started by opening your Google Slides presentation. If you haven't already launched Google Slides, just navigate to your browser and open it up. Once inside, locate the presentation where you want to apply this spiffy new theme and click to open it. Now that your presentation is open, the next step is accessing the theme options. Look towards the top menu. You'll see several tabs such as File, Edit, and View. What you're looking for here is the Slide tab, so go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with various options. From this list, select Change Theme. This action will open up the theme panel on the right-hand side of your screen, showcasing various theme options already available in your presentation. To truly make the presentation yours, you might want to retrieve a unique theme from another project or even upload one from your computer. At the bottom of this theme panel, you'll notice an option labeled Import Theme. Click on it. Here, you're given the choice of selecting a presentation directly from your Google Drive, or if you have a theme saved locally on your computer, you can upload it from there. To select a theme from Google Drive, you will see a list of all the presentations available. Scroll through and pick the one that best suits your new project. Click on it, and you'll see a preview of the themes contained within that presentation. Alternatively, if the theme you desire is saved on your computer, simply choose the option to upload, navigate to the file's location, and select it. Now that you've found the ideal theme, it's time to apply it. You'll be presented with a preview of different slide designs within the selected presentation. Carefully examine these to choose the one that best fits the tone and style you envision for your slides. Once you've made your selection, click on Import Theme. Google Slides will work its magic, and in no time, your presentation will boast a brand new look, perfectly tailored to your needs. And there you have it. With these easy and straightforward steps, you can effortlessly import a theme into Google Slides, allowing you to refresh your content and keep your audience visually engaged throughout your presentation. Remember, the perfect theme not only makes your slides look professional, but also reinforces your messaging. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and happy presenting.